I've been thinking a lot about America's profound demographic changes. Right now, in 2025, there are 4 states in which Native Americans are the biggest minority group. Those states are Alaska, Montana, North Dakota, and South Dakota. There are also a great number of states where Black Americans are the largest minority group, and those states are primarily on the East Coast and in the American South. There are many states where the Hispanic / Latino, Latina, Latinx, Latinx population is the biggest minority group. And there are already a couple of states where whites are the biggest minority group, including California, which is an especially large state, and New Mexico. Hawaii has never had a white majority population since it became a state. However, when you look at the plurality, not just the majority and minority categorizations, but the plurality, there are actually several states, including other big ones like Texas, where if you look at all minority populations together, they are so-called majority minority states. And there are quite a few, primarily in the Southwest, also in other parts of the country as well. This just foretells a much larger demographic shift that is happening in the country. By 2050, about 47% of the population in America is projected to be white across the whole country. I think what this really tells us is just a couple of things. One is, it's really important that we figure out how to get along. The diversity is here to stay. And also, the constitutional protections and other legal protections that have been developed over the years that are designed to protect minorities are really critical, because everyone in America is going to have a minority experience eventually. And the efforts right now to attack protections for minorities are both unfounded and cruel to those who are minorities, and also just profoundly unwise, because everyone will be in that circumstance eventually, regardless of who's in control, Democrats, Republicans, or somebody else. Thank you.